Hello, my name is Mayula Mungkankang. Today I will present a conversation between Emma and Leo. Let's begin. Emma, hi, is this Siffy? Leo, yes, go ahead. Are you New Year too? Emma, yeah. It's my first week at university. I'm still learning where everything is. Leo, Sam here. I even used an AI app to find my classroom this morning. Emma, really? This is works? Leo cried. Off it took me to the cafeteria instead of the lecture hall. Emma, maybe the AI wanted you to eat breakfast first. Leo, maybe, but I think AI is really helpful. I use it to check my grammar and plan my study time. Emma, that's cool. I want to try that too. What app do you use? Leo, it's called Study Smart. It gives me reminders and short quizzes. Emma, nice. I download it later. Thank Leo. Leo, no problem. See you in class tomorrow. Emma, see you.